Hi everybody, we're here at L-12. This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath in Carteret Mobile Park, and we're gonna go check out the latest. Hi there! Let's go in and see what's new. Show me that new floor. So the laminate flooring is done. Wow, look how pretty! Oh, that's fabulous. Hi, Mr. Dolan.
Hi there, today's cleaning day.
Very nice. We're gonna be showing this house for the first time.
It's 99% done.
Okay.
So we're doing our cleaning and we're showing the home in a couple hours.
So the people who are going to be seeing the house have filled out the resident application and have been patiently waiting for us. This is exciting. This is a great day. So let's take a look at this kitchen. We got 4 Whirlpool appliances. And they still have all of the plastic on them to protect them. This countertop is really pretty, and this New York subway tile really stands out. Ooh, what are you guys working on? The water?
We just turned on the water, so we're water testing everything.
Very nice. There's a lot of inspections and a lot of tests that we do. This is an all-wood cabinetry. Beautiful. And these European pools. And this is called the gray Timberwolf color. What a great little corner. Wow. I'm really, let's take a look inside the refrigerator. So we have a 38 checklist of things that we have to do to get the house ready. But the floor was one of them. Are you going to take those off? Very nice. We have a great little helper here. So I didn't even go through the house yet and pull the blinds. The spackling's been done. Wow, look at the floor this way. Oh, let's take a look inside. Yes, dear? Collect them and put them in your pocket.
Put them right in the box.
Oh, there you go. There's a box for garbage. Right there, big box. So that's your utility room, laundry room for your washer and dryer. You got the hook up there and a little linen closet or storage closet there. We've got the back door. I do not think that the steps have been added yet. Yep, no steps. But this will go out to your patio area. Very, very nice. Okay, let's close the door.
I put my feet down and then I get down.
Oh, you're funny.
Here you go.
Wow, I love this. Oh, you can close the refrigerator for me. Wonderful front door, great thermopane windows. We've got the paddle fans we still have to put up on the... oh, look at this great transition. The laminate flooring and this concrete stamp looking like vinyl. And again, we've got big, great windows, great closet. Yeah, we got a lot of work to do, but we're offering to show the house to the people who've been waiting for quite a while. This is yeah, look here, there's something else we have to do. Put in the glass bypass doors for the shower. So let's see, one of these lights would turn on. Oh, maybe we don't have all the light bulbs up yet.
No light bulbs except for in here, because these are LED lights. All the rooms have LED.
Wow.
Except for the bathroom fan gets a light bulb.
Okay. And then across the hall is the other bathroom. We still have to put the light bulbs up. So this is an improvement. The other day I showed this house and we still didn't even have the top of the toilet tank on there. So for transportation, everything's protected, and then once the house is stable and we put all the breakables up. Here's an LED light in this room, and we were cleaning the floor in here. So we'll have the house spick and span the day of the closing, but for the time being, there's a lot of work to be done. We're normally Mr. Dolan doesn't let people see the house until it's at its most pristine, but our eager homeowners have been asking time and time again to see the house as it's being worked on. So we've kind of acquiesced to the demand. And we stand by our word. We do all the things we say we're gonna do to make the house gorgeous. And we still have some landscaping we have to do. Oh no, the decorative rocks are down. Wow, very nice. A lot of people ask for that instead of grass because they don't wanna, they want easy maintaining. Anything else we can tell our...
Well, this one is ready to show.
Let's take
And
some
after we
outside
finish this
too.
house, we have another one
Let's take
almost
some
identical to
outside
this.
too.
That'll be
Okay.
ready probably sometime in April.
So we've got, that house will be K3, it's about 2 feet shorter. And not sure about the price, but if you're interested, fill out the resident application just like this family. Actually, we have 1 family today and 2 families tomorrow who've all filled out the resident application. And we'll see who the new homeowner of this gorgeous house will be. Thanks for liking, subscribing, and being interested in what we're building here at Carteret Mobile Park. So check out our website at MyHomeInCarteret.com, and the intake process starts with info@dolanhomes.com, and we are going outside. I will show you a little bit here. The custom steps, the side yard, the sidewalk. We've got 2-car parking right in front of the house. Oh, the stone area turned out really nice. Wow, this is lovely. It's a little dusty, so the rain will wash that off and it'll be really lovely afterwards. Okay, like I said, email me. That's how we start, info@dolanhomes.com. Have a great day.